Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to clean the lint filter on a Bush Tumble Dryer. It is important to clean the lint filter after each use. If the lint filter is not cleaned, you may find that it takes your clothes longer to dry. This means that you may need to run the dryer for longer, increasing your electricity bill. Start by opening the tumble dryer door. Next, remove the filter by lifting it up and away from the machine. Then, open the filter. Do not be alarmed by the amount of fluff in the filter. All fabric loses fluff when drying, but it goes unnoticed in the air. In a tumble dryer, it simply collects in the filter. Clean the filter by using your hand or with a soft cloth. Once you have cleaned the filter, close the filter and place it back in the tumble dryer. Your Bush Tumble Dryer is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.